You don't always notice it right away. It starts quietly, before the conversation, before the meeting. Before you say anything at all, there's just tension. You're already thinking ahead, what you might say, how it might land, what their reaction could be, and nothing has happened yet. But your body already feels like it has. If you felt that pressure before the moment even begins, you're not alone in it. Most people think that feeling comes from the situation, from the person, from the pressure in the room. But that's not where it actually starts. It starts earlier. It starts in the space your mind moves into before you do. And once you see this, something begins to make more sense. You're not reacting to what's happening. You're reacting to what your mind expects is about to happen. That's why it feels so real. Your mind is trying to prepare you, trying to protect you, trying to keep you from saying the wrong thing. So it runs ahead. It starts shaping your words before they exist, adjusting your tone before you speak. And slowly, you begin to step away from yourself before the moment even arrives. Pay attention to this. That tight feeling right before you speak, that hesitation, that slight pull inward, that's usually where it begins. Not in the conversation, in the anticipation of it. And once you notice that, you don't get pulled as far into it. You can still feel it, but you're not completely inside it anymore, and that changes how the moment feels. Not because you forced anything, not because you controlled it, but because you didn't go as far ahead. So here's something you can bring with you. Next time you feel that tension, right before you speak, notice how quickly your mind moves forward. Notice how it starts predicting, trying to shape what hasn't happened yet. That's the moment. That's where the pressure begins. And if you stay with that moment, even briefly, it doesn't carry you as far. You don't have to stop it. You don't have to fix it. Just notice it happening. And let yourself stay a little closer to where you actually are. Because most of that tension was never about the moment itself. It was everything your mind added to it before it began. And when you don't carry all of that in, the moment feels lighter. Not perfect, not easy, but lighter. And sometimes, that's enough to feel like yourself again. If this helped you reset even slightly, consider subscribing. And more importantly, just keep noticing those moments. That's where things begin to settle.